Hey guys!
Welcome back to your YouTube channel. Today we are in Magic Kingdom. And what will we be doing, Dad?
We're just back again, you know, after the reopening and all that. We just decided to come back. As you can see right back there, they're the characters. We're just gonna be riding some rides, checking out what's new in the merchandise store, spending time like a family. You know, there's so much to do. Exciting to be here in Magic Kingdom, right?
Yes.
So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Great, because I am.
So let's go. Wait, Mom, hit it.
Hit it!
I could show you how to defeat the
Now, one of the things is that Karen has never seen the castle since that it's been redone. So I just want to see her first reaction. What are you thinking?
It's pretty.
You like it?
Yeah, at first it's like, oh man, those colors. But now when you really see it,
When you
really
see it in
plays.
person,
Yeah.
it's different, right?
It's amazing. I love it.
It's
I love
completely,
it. Yeah,
it's completely different.
I love it.
Yeah,
It's like shimmery, like it's really cool.
yeah.
It goes really well with the theme, like with
Right.
with a castle, you know, like.
First thing that we notice, of course, Magic Kingdom is getting ready for their fall season. This is part of their initial decoration. They just announced they're starting on September 15, I believe, all the way to October 31st. They will be having almost like a Mickey Knows a Scary Halloween party, but not so much the event. Pretty much everything's gonna be decorated and everybody's allowed to dress up during the day. Here's part of the merchandise that we already showed you from Disney Springs. So I don't know, we're excited to see the tradition of Magic Kingdom being decorated for Halloween, and that's one of the things that we love the most, right, Kyla?
Yes.
Are you excited to see that?
Yes. And right.
right. So we cannot wait. Ooh, something we haven't seen. Boogie Boogie right there. See this castle, the more I like it. I know it's kind of hard, like sometimes you're like, oh, I don't know, based on the picture I don't like it, but let me tell you, it's completely different when you see it in front of you. This is how we're looking early in the morning. We kind of opened the park, so it's not even 9 o'clock, so best time to come, honestly. But before we continue with this adventure, we want to remind everybody, especially if you're new right here, to
Subscribe and smash that like button.
and if you've been with us all this time, we want to thank you. We appreciate you for all the love and support. But if you're brand new here, what?
Subscribe and smash that like button.
Because this is your family content channel, the one that takes you around, look, everywhere, from theme park to local attractions here in Central Florida. So all that we do is just go as a family and use these guys' feedback, right?
Yes.
To help you out, maybe planning your next vacation here in Central Florida. So
Just a few reminders.
do it, it's free. Subscribe right there. Seven Dwarf Mine Train, 25 minutes. You know, compared to before all this craziness went down, this is not bad. So you know what, we're gonna ride it. Very quick update. Since the last time we visited, they actually roped this thing up, saying it's not available, so people are not touching it, just like Khalil did in the last video where he was touching it. So now it's blocked off, so people cannot touch it. A quick shout out to my wife who created this awesome shirt. Look at what Kyla says, because she's a fan of the Haunted Mansion. Of course, hurry back. Turn around, Kyla. Let's see the other side. Ooh, there you go. Awesome shirt. Also, it's a little bit hard to see, but Khalil has the Headless Horseman on his shirt. Here's a better look of the shirt. Right there, that's kind of cool. Headless Horseman and the cute face. After close to 20 minutes, we made it. The kids happen to have the... Actually, Kyla happens to be in the first row. So. Hi-ho! Yes, home we go. Right, Kyla?
Yes.
Easy breezy, right?
Yes.
Smaller crowd. 5 minutes, Peter Pan. And this is the part that makes Kyla upset, because she always wanted a Rapunzel ride, and instead she got bathroom.
She got a bathroom. Like, come on, guys. Like, every princess gets something except Rapunzel. She gets a bathroom.
A bathroom.
Like,
And now you must admit that these are one of the best good-looking bathrooms in property, right?
yes.
True fact. Did you guys knew that you can find Pascal in here?
Yes.
If you didn't know, I'm gonna have to show it to you right here. Right by the creek over here, you see? Comment down below if you knew that Pascal was here, but he just camouflaged, of course. That's why it's so hard to see him. What do you think about my shirt?
I like it.
And here's the best part, here's the best part. Because we're in the happiest place on earth. We cannot have no Karens in here.
You can't deal with Karens.
I know, we just,
Hey,
you know.
what do you mean you can't have any Karens in here?
Except for this one,
Okay,
because she's nice. Other than that, we cannot have old people like making miserable our day here in Magic Kingdom, right? Comment down below if you agree with us. 20 minutes, don't mind if we do. Right, Kyla?
Yes.
As you can tell, this is one of Kyla's favorite rides. Can you tell? Can you tell?
Not at all.
Not at all, right? I don't want to jinx it. It says 20 minutes, but hey, we continue to walk into the ride. Because as you know, there's no more pre-show over there. Now look how dope that looks over there in Kyla's favorite ride. Hurry back. Kyla, turn around. There you go. So Kyla, how does Disney do this effect?
They do this effect with a huge mirror, so it looks like ghosts from the other side.
So that's a mirror?
That's a huge mirror.
Yeah, right there.
Look, you can see all those sparks.
Right there, yeah. So they're mirroring a reflection. That's what they're doing.
They're mirroring a reflection.
I present the world my wife. Hi, honey. Okay. So what's in there, Kyla? A curtain?
Yeah, there's a curtain. There's like a black curtain, and those are actually animatronics with pop colors. So it make it look like they're ghosts.
Hurry back, hurry back. There you go. Per Kyla, we have become the 1,000 ghosts.
Look, these are all the people that we come.
What was that, Kyla?
So this right here, the tombstones, these are actually people that made a haunted mansion.
So the Imagineers, you mean?
Yes, the Imagineers.
So these are the people who actually made it. Very interesting. I like that. Getting facts with Kyla. We should have a new segment called that. Getting the facts straight with Kyla. Comment down below you would like to see that in the future. It's hard to see it from here, but Kyla pointed out. Who's that, Kyla?
That's the frog.
Toad the frog, but it's kind of hard to see him from here. So let me see if I can do it. Yeah, the camera won't focus on that.
So a lot of people think that he died here.
A lot of people think the Toad the frog died here.
Yeah.
Well, true fact. Again, getting the facts straight with Kyla. Hi there, there you go. Hi, Goofy. Well, just like everybody, you know, gotta take advantage of Splash Mountain now before it's shut down, you know, to become Princess and the Frog. So right now it's a 40-minute wait, so we're gonna do it. Why not? Are you okay by yourself over there? Are you okay over there by yourself?
Yeah.
Awesome. That looks like fun. Khaled is there by himself. He decided to like be a big boy and have fun, right?
Yeah.
Alright, nothing wrong with that. Right, so you guys remember when you go next to the drop with water spray and all that? When we first came here on opening day or cast member previews, that was not on. So now, look, I think that gets you more wet than anything else in that ride. So Khaled got a little bit soaked back there, right?
A little bit.
Khaled, are you ready for your first big ride? By yourself. Put your hands up, Khaled. How you like it?
It was fun.
You survived.
I barely got wet on that one.
You did?
I didn't get my barely got wet.
Well, the camera didn't. Awesome. Kyla, how you doing? Horrible. She's so.
5-minute wait, so we're going in the line right now. We're almost there in the ride.
Are you ready, Kool?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's find out. Kool, do you have fun?
Yeah.
Is that a fun ride?
It was super fun.
That's a rough ride.
Yeah. Especially when you go back to the beginning.
Got some sharp turns.
Yeah.
All right, on to the next.
Oh man, we were gonna do Pirates, but it's currently down.
A lot of people waiting.
And a lot of people waiting. Lots of people waiting. Kyla, how you feeling there?
Hot.
It is like 100 degrees today. No, actually it's not. It's like maybe like low 90s, but like humidity level is just beyond. It's insane. So we're just gonna go and check the line for Space Mountain, since that's one of the kids' favorites. So maybe we could be under some AC for a little bit, just to cool us off, because it's hard to breathe with humidity without a mask. Usually, imagine with a mask, so it's a little bit harder. So.
And if you guys do come, make sure you hydrate.
Although it's kind of cool to see Buzz over there. Where you're looking over here, folks, it's not a it's not a physical distancing to see Buzz. It's actually the line to go to Space Mountain. It is at 35 minutes waiting time, supposedly. So they have make us go through all this, and then make you go around, loop around, so that way everybody keeps their physical distancing from each other. You guys ready now?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
Yes.
I know that you've been waiting to do this one, as it's one of your favorite, right?
Yes. Guys, we're in Buzz Lightyear right now.
We're ready, Buzz. We're ready. We're ready to either become a galactic hero or beat Kyla. That's our mission today.
It's not that hard.
A galactic hero or beat Kyla. You got something to say?
It's not going to be that hard to beat.
Not confident. Buzz has faith in you. You don't have faith in yourself?
No.
But Buzz does. So that's my mission today, people. Galactic hero or beating Kyla.
Mom and Dad are going to be going in the same car, and then me and Kool. So whoever wins, wins. And I'm hoping we win, because I really don't want to lose.
We're not gonna win.
Oh my God.
So you ready, bro?
I am. As ready as I can be. Hopefully my gun works.
Let's find out.
What the heck is that doing?
You're doing a good job. You've got a lot of points already.
227,400.
I just got that.
Oh, that's amazing. I did not get Galactic Hero, but I definitely beat Kyla. And Kalau. and Karen with
What's galactic?
227,400 points. That's the most that I ever made. So, hey, practice. The more you practice, the better you get, right?
I had 4,800.
You only have 4,000? Really?
Yeah, I'm the weakling if you haven't noticed.
I was just stopped by a park service personnel, and they just actually said that I made him laugh because of my shirt. Told you I'm in my happiest place and no Karens are allowed, so at least I'm making people laugh, especially the cast members. And once again, shout out to all the cast members for all your hard work. We love you. We appreciate what you do. Look at that castle, man. I love being there. I love seeing that castle. Being over here, it's just it's magical. Like I said, it's magical. It changes your mood. It changes everything. I love it so far, right?
Yes.
So now we're just gonna check out the Emporium to see what else is there that we haven't seen, right, Kyla?
Yes, which a lot of things we haven't seen.
No, I don't know that a lot, because we already been on Downtown Disney, and some of that merchandise they already have.
Yeah, we have the best luck here ever, right, Dad? We do, right?
So we're gonna see what else we can find that we haven't seen from Downtown Disney. So. Now a lot of these things, like we already mentioned, we have already seen in Downtown Disney. They may have one or two items that probably belongs to here, but a lot of this you can find in Downtown Disney as well. And as a Mickey Ears fan, Kyla found something that we haven't seen, because that was not in Downtown Disney the other day. In Downtown Disney, because they told us it was here, is this Hocus Pocus Spirit jersey. The back look awesome. Watch that. It looks pretty good though.
And it says Ghost Host. So cute, so cute. It's like their outfits. So good. What does it smell like, Mom?
Pumpkin spice.
It smells so good.
It does smell good.
So this is what we decided to get for the house, right, Carol?
Yeah.
Show them how cute this looks.
So it's this little stem. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
In the back, and in the back it says "Hey Pumpkin."
It says, "Hey Pumpkin."
Ready for Halloween? You got
That's awesome. It's very cute, right, Carol?
Yeah.
And then hopefully later on we'll come back to Downtown Disney, because we're getting this because we didn't see it on Downtown Disney, but we might have missed it, but we didn't see it that night that we went, and we'll tag that video down below. But
Hopefully we could get the Jack Skeleton one.
yeah, we could probably get a Jack Skeleton next time, and also some of this, maybe this for some of the decoration in the house, you know, to make it more Mickey friendly in the house, because it's scary enough in the house. Oh, bye-bye. Super cute. All right, my beautiful people, I hope you guys had a blast with us today. What do you guys think? I mean, was it good to be back in the Magic Kingdom?
It was really, really good. It was just really hot too.
Yeah, it was super fun, but super duper hot.
Hey, but at least we got to do a lot of the cool attractions, you know.
Yep.
Haunted Mansion,
Space Mountain.
Thunder Mountain, or like all the mountains.
Splash Mountain.
All of them. All of them.
We did all the mountains, but Mount Everest.
Yeah, but hopefully we'll go there soon. But we got to do all the mountains here at the Magic Kingdom. We had a blast, and we surely hope you enjoyed this video, because we had a blast making it for you. But sadly, this adventure is over. So with that said,
Don't forget to subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn on that bell for notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile loud, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure.
Bye,
guys. Boom.
Boom.
Boom.